Now, what is the math class that we have discussed? Anyone of you have any idea?
Class, data member, data functions.
No. Yes, I mean, along with this, we have discussed about overloading also, right?
Yes.
How we can perform the overloading? With the help of different types of the parameters and different number of the parameters, am I right?
Yeah.
Now, today we're going to discuss about the other concepts. We have completed about the overloading. Before going to discuss about the overriding, you people need to have an idea about what is the meaning of inheritance. Okay, what is the meaning of inheritance? You people need to have the idea. So first, after discussing about the inheritance concept, then we'll come back to the polymorphism and we're going to discuss about overriding concept. Clear, all of you?
Yeah.
Now, listen here. First, we'll try to understand what is the meaning of inheritance. Inheritance, in the sense, it is a relationship between. It's a relationship between. It's a relationship between parent and child classes. Parent and child classes. Correct. So
Yeah.
the child class can acquire the features of parent class. Features of parent class. Okay. Suppose the example that what is the meaning of acquiring the parent class features into the child class and all those things we'll try to understand. Suppose see here. Suppose see here. My parent is having some features. Coming to the child class can have its own features, and child class can reuse the features of parent class also. Child class it's having its own features. Along with this, child class can able to reuse parent class features also. Parent class features also. Clear? So now child is a combination of, just give me a minute. So child is a combination of child features and parent features. Am I right? So suppose the example
Yeah.
that you are having your parents and yours. Like suppose the example that you are doing some job. Along with this, your parents are also having some money. So the money whatever your parents are having, you can able to use that money along with the money whatever you are earning. So you are a combination of your parents and your features. Am I right? So your
Yeah.
parent money and your money. So you can able to reuse both. Okay. We can, with the help of this inheritance, the child class can able to reuse the parent class features. Okay. So child class can able to acquire the features of parent class. Okay. So we have the major advantage of the inheritance is reusability. We can able to reuse the parent class features. That is one of the major advantage of the inheritance. Now we have totally five types of inheritance. One is single inheritance, and second is multiple inheritance, and third is multi-level
Multi-level.
inheritance, and fourth is hierarchical inheritance,
Great.
hybrid inheritance. Clear?
Hybrid.
Like this, we have totally five types of inheritance are available. Now we'll try to understand what is the difference between single, multiple, multi-level, hybrid, and hierarchical. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to the single inheritance, we have one parent and one child. One parent and one child. That scenario would be calling as single inheritance. Clear? Now coming to the multiple inheritance, multiple in the sense multiple parents and one child. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Multiple parents and one child hierarchy would be calling this multiple inheritance. Multi-level inheritance in the sense, the name itself it is indicating that multiple levels of parents. Suppose see we have the grandparent and parent and child, right?
Yeah.
Multi-level of parents. Okay, many parents. That is grandparent and parent and child. What is the multiple inheritance? Multiple parents and one child, right? What is
Yes.
the
Yeah.
opposite of this? One parent and many child. Am I right?
Many child. Yeah.
Yeah.
The opposite of multiple inheritance is hierarchical inheritance. That is one parent and many childs. Clear?
Many childs. Tree structure.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నాను, సింగిల్ అంటే ఆటోమేటికల్లీ వన్ పేరెంట్ వన్ చైల్డ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ బై నేమ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ వీ కెన్ ఈజీలీ రిమెంబర్ దిస్. Am I right? Multi-level inheritance, again by name itself we can able to identify that multiple levels of parents, that is grandparent and parent and child. Am I right?
Yeah.
If people are remembering multiple, then you can easily remember the hierarchical also. Multiple in the sense multiple parents and one child, correct? The opposite of multiple is hierarchical.
Hierarchy.
The hybrid inheritance in the sense it's a combination of one or more inheritance. It's a combination of one or more inheritances types. One or more inheritance types. Okay. Now we'll try to understand. We'll try to see the examples of single inheritance and multiple, multi-level, hybrid, and hierarchical, and all those things. So that we'll see the program how to perform all those things. Okay. Just give me a minute. I have some material in my system so that I'll open it. I'll show it to you people. Just give me a few minutes. Otherwise, I'll download from online. It's not an issue. .NET 1.2.6.3. I'll share it with you people also. This one. Yeah. This is the material. I'll share it with you people today.
Okay.
Yeah, it's done. Okay. Now listen. Under this hour 19, one video is there. I mean, one material is there. We will going to open that. 19 or 20. We'll see. How many types of inheritances are there? Totally
5 types.
right?
5 types.
See, as I told you people, it is a combination of parent and child, right? Child can able to reuse the parent class features. Okay. What is the advantage of inheritance? Reusable.
Reusability.
Because child can able to reuse the parent class features. Avunamma?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now see, I told you people we have 5 types of inheritances, right? Single inheritance in the sense one parent and one child. Am I right?
Yeah.
Hierarchical inheritance in the sense one parent and many childs.
Many childs.
Opposite of this we are calling as multiple inheritance.
Multi-level.
See?
Yeah.
Opposite of
Many
hierarchical
parents.
is multiple. One parent and many childs. Here many parents and one child.
One child.
Now coming to the multiple inheritance, we have multiple parents. That is grandparent and parent and am I right? Now coming to other inheritance, that is hybrid inheritance. It is a combination of more than one inheritance. See here, one parent and many childs would be calling us hierarchical. Am I right?
Hierarchical.
Many parents and one child would be calling us
Multiple.
multiple. Multiple levels are also be there, right? Grandparent and parent and child.
Yeah.
So we can say that this is a multi-level, hierarchical, and multiple inheritance combination. Am I right?
Yeah.
So like this, more than one inheritance combination we are calling as hybrid inheritance.
Hybrid inheritance.
Clear? Now we'll see the
Yeah.
diagrams. We'll see the programs of all those things. Okay. Now listen, all of you. As I'm saying you, it is providing the reusability, right? We have the example of how it is providing the reusability and all those things. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what is the parent class feature? What is the parent class name? Student.
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 Student will have the marks. Am I right? Marks is a child.
Yeah.
Now observe. ఒకవేళ మనం ఇక్కడ చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ అని పెట్టకుండా ఇక్కడే మార్క్స్ అని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదమ్మా. స్టూడెంట్ అని చెప్పి స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి, స్టూడెంట్ నేమ్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్, M1 M2 M3 అని పెట్టేసుకొని రీడ్ డీటెయిల్స్ అండ్ డిస్ప్లే డీటెయిల్స్ అని చెప్పేసి అన్ని ఫీచర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. am I right?
Yeah.
నా సపోజ్ ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దట్ ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ మార్క్స్ అని కాకుండా ఎంపీసీ స్టూడెంట్, బైపీసీ స్టూడెంట్ అలా ఉంటాడు కదా.
Yeah.
అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఎంపీసీ స్టూడెంట్ అని చెప్పి స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి, స్టూడెంట్ నేమ్, ఫోన్ నెంబరు, ఎంపీసీకి మ్యాథ్స్, ఫిజిక్స్, కెమిస్ట్రీ అని రీడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అవునా? ఒకటే క్లాస్ ఉంటాయి. మరి
Yeah.
ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ క్లాస్, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనము? ఎంపీసీ స్టూడెంట్ అని చెప్పేసి ఒకటి పెట్టుకుంటాం. అవును. లైక్ విల్ ట్రై టు డ్రా ద డయాగ్రామ్. ఓకే, like this is the class diagram, right? We have a class name. What is the class name? MPC student. Am I right?
Okay.
Now what we need to read? Student ID and student name and phone number. These are the common features of the phone student. Along with this,
Yeah.
we have maths, physics, chemistry. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now read details and display
Display details.
features. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now if you are taking a BPC student, again three rows, and for BPC student, and
Class.
for BPC student we have student ID and student name, and BPC guy also student, right?
Yeah.
Phone number, biology, physics, chemistry, and again here also we have get details, get data and display data, right?
Yeah.
Now whenever you are taking all these things, ఇప్పుడు రేపు పొద్దున వచ్చి ఎంఈసీ స్టూడెంట్, సిఈసిసి స్టూడెంట్ అలా చాలా వస్తారు కదా.
Yeah.
So for all the classes, student ID, student name, phone number, unnecessarily we are reading again and again, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what is the common features among this? Reading the student ID, student name and phone number, and displaying the student
Phone
ID
number.
and phone number. What all the common features are there that we are picking and we are putting as a parent class? The child class can only have the specific branch, that is NPC by PC, like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Now see here, see my parent class is student, and the student will have the childs like MPC, CEC, by PC and all those things. Here again and again we are not reading student ID, student name, phone number, right? Here we are not reading, here we are not reading, in the by PC also we are not reading. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now what all the common features are there in the child classes? We are taking those common features and we are putting them as a parent.
Parent class.
So like this childs will countable to require to again student ID, student name, phone number, student ID, student name, phone number అవన్నీ మళ్ళీ రీడ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు కదా. So
Yeah.
ఒకసారి many times you are using here. Once you are writing here, all the child classes like MPC, CEC, BPC and MEC, all those they are using the parent class student features. Correct?
Yeah.
And again we are not reading the student details like this. Reusability can be provided whenever we have a relationship between the parent and child classes. Clear?
Parent class. Yes.
Observe here all of you very carefully. One more inheritance is student and mark.
Kalyani, I have a doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, like every child should use all the classes or all the functions of the parent class. Is that any?
That is your wish. If you want, you can. Otherwise, it's your wish. We'll see.
Okay.
నేను అలా
Okay.
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కూడా చెప్తాను. ఓకేనా?
Okay.
మనకు అవసరం ఉంటేనే యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే లేదు.
Okay.
Okay.
Now see, in this class, student marks and result is there, right? Coming to the student, not only marks results, right? In the later on, we can able to add one more child here saying that sports result also.
Yes.
అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? ఇక్కడే మార్క్స్ రిజల్ట్ చూపించేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, మార్క్స్ రీడ్ చేసుకొని రిజల్ట్ చూపిస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ద స్టూడెంట్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ పర్టికులర్ ఫర్ మార్క్స్. See, in this example, whenever you are saying student marks and sports, if you want to show the result of sports also, you have a relationship like this. Okay. Student may have the marks and sports and result. Clear? See, this is how we have the inheritances like single inheritance, one parent and one child, and hierarchical inheritance in the sense one parent and many childs. Okay. Multi-level in the sense multiple levels of inheritance. And one more thing, we have hybrid inheritance. It's a combination of more than one inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, one parent and many childs in the sense hierarchical inheritance. Am I right? The combination of more than one inheritance we are calling as hierarchical inheritance. This is how we have the inheritance. What we can do is today we are going to see about this single inheritance program. Okay. Clear all of you? What is the parent class name in the here?
Student.
Right. See, we'll see the diagram of, we'll see the program of all those things. See here all of you. Parent class name is student. Am I right?
Student
So can I
class.
Yeah.
take class as student here?
Yeah.
What is the features of the student? Student ID,
Student
student name,
ID,
phone number.
Student ID, phone number,
name and
name.
phone number.
Yeah, student ID and string student name and phone number. Correct?
Phone number. Yes.
String is the integer is the phone number, right?
Very good. The question why I have taken here the phone number as string in the sense integer limit is 32767.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, it's more than that, right? Yeah, I got it.
That means it's only a 5-digit number, right?
Yeah, 5-digit
Yes.
number.
అదే మొబైల్ నెంబర్ 5 digit ఎప్పుడైనా ఉండదు కదా either you are taking US number or India number.
Yeah.
So that is the reason I'm taking string. String కి అలా కాదనమాట ఎంత డేటా ఎంత ఇచ్చినా కూడా అంత యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది.
Okay.
ఓకేనా? There is no limit for the string. Now listen all of you.
Why? I mean, we can't give the long, something like long.
We can give but again there is I mean database తో మళ్ళీ మనం database లో స్టోర్ చేయాలి అన్నప్పుడు ఆ డేటా ఆ లాంగ్
Okay.
డబ్ I mean long integers all the things will give a conversion issues.
Okay. Sure.
That is the reason people will take normally string as a data type. Okay.
Okay.
What is the method here? Read details, right?
Details.
How to write that method, all of you? Public void,
Public void read details.
right?
Oh.
How to read the value? First we need to ask the user, right? Please
Right.
enter
Yes. Please enter the details.
student ID, student name, and
Student ID, student name, phone number.
how to read the student ID, all of you?
SID.
STD ID.
Yes.
STID.
Yeah. SID. SID only.
Yeah, go ahead. No problem. Any variable name.
Yeah.
How to
Equal to convert to into of console.
console dot read line.
Read line.
So can I take convert dot 2 in 32 of console dot read line? Correct?
Read line. Yes.
How to read the student name?
Student name equal to console dot read line.
Very good. How to read the phone number?
Same console dot read line.
Very good. Because that is a string.
String.
How to display the values with the help of display details. Correct?
Display details. Yeah.
Now see here. Public void display details. Correct?
Display details.
Now observe here all of you very carefully. I'm just trying to display the values with the help of student ID is coming from std ID.
STD ID.
Correct. The same way, student name is concatenated with
Yes, name.
student phone number is concatenated with.
Phone number. F.
Correct. What is the other class? What is the name of the child class?
Marks.
Marks. Very good.
Marks.
So can I create the class name as marks?
Yeah.
Yes.
Marks is inheriting from the parent class. What is the name of the parent?
Yeah. This student.
So inheritance symbol is anamata .NET lo. Colon is the inheritance symbol. Okay.
Okay.
The parent class name is student.
Student.
Okay.
Now what are the features are available in the student class? M1, M2 and M3. Correct?
M3. Yeah.
So can I take int M1, M2 and M3?
Yeah.
What is the first method name?
Read marks.
And display marks. Those are the two and first method is read.
Methods.
So public void marks. Okay.
Yeah.
Now here I'm asking the user to enter M1,
Marks.
M2,
M1,
M3.
M2, M3.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
Now how to read the M1?
M1.
Convert dot to into.
Convert dot to into console dot read line.
Very good. So can I take like this?
Yes.
M2 is same. M3 is
Same.
correct.
Yeah.
Now what is the other method here? All of you?
Display.
Marks, right?
Display marks. Yeah.
Yeah, display marks.
Display marks. Now see, I'm trying to display that marks with the help of
At a time console dot read line.
total marks and చూపించనా లేకపోతే
Yeah, you can.
other than displaying those total marks is
Total marks is equal to parenthesis of M1 plus M2 plus M3 by 3.
very good. See, clear?
Yeah.
Now Savya, you have Sneha, you have asked one question, right? See, how many methods are there in the parent?
2.
True.
Good. See here, all of you. I'm just trying to display public void. Welcome is a message. Okay. Console.writeline. I'm from welcome method అని చెప్పేసి చెప్తున్నా. ఓకేనా?
ఎందుకు రాశారు ఇది ఇప్పుడు వెల్కమ్?
జస్ట్ లైక్ మెథడ్. అంటే అది కాల్ చేయకపోయినా నువ్వు అన్నావు కదా అన్ని మెథడ్స్ కాల్ చేయాలా అని చెప్పేసి.
ఓకే. అంటే మనం ఇప్పుడు మార్క్స్ స్టూడెంట్ నుంచి ఇన్హెరిట్ చేసుకున్నాం కదా, సో స్టూడెంట్ లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఫంక్షన్స్ చైల్డ్ వాడొచ్చా వాడకూడదా అని అడిగాను.
వాడొచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. అన్ని మెథడ్స్ ని వాడొచ్చు. కొన్ని మెథడ్స్ ని వాడి కొన్ని మెథడ్స్ ని వద్దు అనుకున్నా కూడా దట్ ఈస్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ ద విష్.
ఓకే. ఇన్హెరిట్ చేసుకొని మెథడ్స్ కూడా ఇప్పుడు వెల్కమ్ మెథడ్ కూడా రన్ అవుతుందని ఇప్పుడు మాకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపిస్తున్నారు కదా మీరు ఇప్పుడు.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఇన్హెరిట్ కూడా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్, ఈ వెల్కమ్ మెథడ్ కూడా ఇన్హెరిట్ అవుతుంది. కానీ కావాలంటే నువ్వు వెల్కమ్ ని కాల్ చేయొచ్చు, లేకపోతే లేదు. ఇది నీ ఇష్టం.
ఓకే. యా ఐ గాట్, అర్థమైంది.
వాట్ వీ కెన్ డూ ఈస్ నౌ, ఈ ఇప్పుడు చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ కి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ టైం whenever I'm trying to run I'll call welcome. Other second time when I'm trying to run I don't call welcome. See the output.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
yes.
how to create the object for child class? Marks ob is equal to
marks equal to new marks.
Very good. So ob dot parent class method ఏంటమ్మా? read details కదా.
Yeah, read details.
Read details. Okay na. ob dot child class method to read is what? Read marks. Right.
Read marks.
ob dot display details
Display.
and display marks. Am I right?
Yes.
Now what I'm trying to do is I'm calling the welcome also. Okay na? Clear?
Okay. I mean, I had a small doubt, Kalyani.
Yeah.
If we create a reference, I mean, object for the child class, is it enough for the whole program? I mean, we should not create any object for the parent class.
Yes, because it's not required you to create an object for parent class. You can call the parent class method with the help of child class na. Child class.
Okay. That is inheritance. As we derived the main class, I mean, parent class. So it's not mandatory to create an object for the parent class. Is it right?
So once you create a parent object for the child class, automatically all the features of parent also. You are using the parent class features also. You are using in the sense it is providing the reusability to the child class.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Can we see the output of this now? ఉట్టి నువ్వు పేరెంట్ నే యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఉట్టి నువ్వు స్టూడెంట్ కి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది.
Okay.
If you want both student and marks, then you can create the object for marks.
Okay.
Now see here all of you.
అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి మెయిన్ పేరెంట్ క్లాస్ లో ఉన్న ఒకటే యూజ్ చేసుకున్నా నో ఇష్యూస్ కదా.
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
అవును, ఇక చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ మెథడ్స్ మనమే వాడకపోయినా ఓన్లీ పేరెంట్ క్లాస్ వి కాల్ చేసుకున్నా ఓకే.
Yes, that's your wish.
Okay.
Like that also. Okay, but it's not a preferable way. ఒకవేళ అలా చేద్దాం అనుకుంటే ఎందుకోసం అంటే డైరెక్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పేరెంట్ కే చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది కదా.
ఇక డిరైవ్ చేసుకోవడం ఇదంతా
వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయో వాటికి మెమరీ అలొకేట్ అయిపోతుంది అన్నెసరీగా. Okay na. Memory is more important whenever you are creating a programs, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now see here. Student ID is 101. Name is something I'm giving Sai. Phone number is something I'm giving. Mark 1, Mark 2 and Mark 3. See? Clear?
Okay.
Welcome also called and giving the output as I'm from welcome method. Am I right?
Yes.
Now see. Sabi, I'm just trying to comment this. Otherwise, I'm trying to delete this. Okay. Again, 101. Like Sneha and phone number something. I'm giving 100, 99 and 90. See, welcome didn't came.
Yeah.
If you call it will show the output. Otherwise, it won't show the output. Clear? Clear, all of you?
Yeah.
Take the screenshot of this. Completed?
Yeah, it's clear.
Now we'll see other. Suppose today what you people do is we have discussed only single inheritance, right?
Yeah.
Please try to practice the other inheritances like hierarchical, multi-level, okay, and hybrid.
Okay.
Same way, however, we have done the same way you people need to do the other inheritance also. What I'm doing is I'll share you that document in a WhatsApp. Okay.
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 If you people have any questions, please try to ping me so that another person will complete. Okay.
Okay.
Kalyan, is there any chance to change the class timings?
Class.
Timings because it's 11:30 అవుతుంది రోజు అంటే 12:30 అవుతుంది కదా రోజు.
That we will discuss in
సో
the WhatsApp. Okay. ఏ టైంలో మీకు అవైలబుల్ అమ్మా యాక్చువల్గా మా మార్నింగ్
అంటే మరీ ఇంత లేట్ కాకపోయినా కానీ అట్లీస్ట్ 10కి స్టార్ట్ చేసినా కానీ
10 అంటే నా టైం
మీకు
మీకు 8:30 అవుతుంది.
8:30 అవుతుంది.
8:30. Yeah, fine. We'll discuss about that. నేను వాట్సాప్లో మెసేజ్ చేస్తాను టైమింగ్స్ మీకు. ఓకే.
షూర్.
ఓకే. ఓకే. షూర్.
అదర్వైజ్ ఐ ట్రై టు టేక్ బట్ ఎర్లీ లైక్ మా మార్నింగ్ 6:30 అలా తీసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను.
యా అప్పుడైనా ఓకే అంటే 12:30 అయిపోతుంది మాకు డిన్నర్ చేసేసరికి 1 అట్లా అయిపోతుంది
ఓకే.
మళ్ళీ మార్నింగ్ లేవాలి కదా.
మార్నింగ్ 6:30కి తీసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా?
యా షూర్.
ఓకే. యా. I have shared the document. Please check it. Just give me
Okay.
1 minute.
Yeah, we got it.
Listen here, all of you. We'll try to see other concept now. Yeah, from tomorrow we'll take my morning 6:30 only. Okay? No issue.
యా
From
ఓకే
tomorrow?
థ్యాంక్స్.
Okay. Okay, Kalyan.
At my morning 6:30. Okay? Yeah. Listen here, all of you. Now we're going to discuss about the other concept that is overriding. Okay? Overriding. As we discussed that in the polymorphism, we have seen only overloading, right? Remember, all of you? We
Yes.
I told you people we are going to discuss about the overriding concept after inheritance. Am I right?
యా
After
Yeah.
inheritance, we'll discuss about the overriding concept. Now we'll try to understand. Now listen here, all of you, very carefully. I'll try to explain that with the help of program. Okay. Listen here, all of you, very carefully. It's almost similar to inheritance. Okay. See, I'm taking a class as employee. Okay. What is the name of the class?
ఎంప్లాయీ.
Employee. Am I right? See, for employee, I'm
Yeah.
just giving employee ID and string employee name. Okay. Now I'm taking the method as public void get data is the method. Am I right?
Yeah.
ఓకే. యా
Now see, I'm just trying to ask the user, please enter employee ID and employee name. Okay.
Okay.
Now console.write line of employee ID is convert dot 2 in 32 of console dot read line. Correct.
Yeah.
Now employee name is console dot read line. Correct. Now whenever you are taking the method as overriding, assistant should after public need to give virtual. Okay. What is the use of that? I'll tell you people. Okay.
Okay.
Now listen. Now listen, all of you. Along with this, I'm trying to give one more method that is public virtual void display data. Okay, display data. Okay. Now console.write line of I'm trying to display employee ID is concatenated with empid and along with this employee name is concatenated with ename. Correct.
Yeah.
Now observe here, all of you, very carefully. When I'm trying to take the child class that is manager key employee along with employee name, he'll have its own, facilities, right? Car alliance system, am I right? If he's a manager,
Yeah.
providing all the alliances, more house rent alliance will provide, more facilities for the car will provide, other facilities like or to go to the outing, we are going to give an option for the manager. So, what all the extra features are there? We are providing those features for the manager in the child class, like house rent. Okay, house rent. We are giving so much of house rent for the manager. Okay, house rent we are giving. And PF you people know, right? Provident fund we are saying.
Yeah,
And
Provident fund.
we are providing for the manager. So my manager is having the features of manager, along with this he's having the features of employee also. Am I right?
yeah,
Now see here all of you very carefully. When I'm trying to take the inheritance lo parent class method name same different untadi, child class method name they say different untadi. Am I right?
yeah,
ఇక్కడ read details, ఇక్కడ read marks. అవునమ్మా? Parent class method
yeah,
is different, child class method name is different. Am I right?
different. Yeah,
Coming to the overriding, parent class and child class method names are same. Okay? See, ఇక్కడ virtual అని ఉంది కదా, other than virtual we need to take override. That's it.
okay.
Right? Override. See here all of you. Public, override, void, get. Clear? Now, what is the meaning of base.get data and all those things? I'll explain you people one by one. Okay. Now listen. I'm asking the user. Don't hurry. Like just try to remember. Observe here what I'm doing. Please enter house rent, car allowance, and PF. These all the values we need to read, right?
Yeah,
Nama? Now, can I take house rent value is equal to convert.2 in 32 of console.readline? Am I right?
yeah,
Now see here. The same way we need to read PF and car allowance. Am I right?
yeah,
Now observe. The same way we need to display all these values also. What is the name of the
yeah.
method in the above? To display the data.
Get it. Display data.
Display data. Am I right? Now we'll try to see
Yeah,
here. Observe here all of you very carefully. So can I take public, override, display details? Okay. Now see, I'm just trying to display house rent is the house rent we are providing as the variable that is house rent. The same way we need to display provident fund is concatenated with PF. Correct? The same way we need to display the
current.
that is car allowance is concatenated with car allowance. Correct?
Yeah,
All of you observe here very carefully. The story will start from here. What is the child class method? Child class name enta
Um,
method? What is the name of child class?
Manager.
manager.
Manager. So can I create the object for manager?
Yeah, my object.
ఇప్పుడు ob.getData అంటే ఏమవుతుందమ్మా? ఫస్ట్ ఏ క్లాస్ గెట్ డేటా కాల్ అవుతుంది? మేనేజర్ గెట్ డేటా కదా.
Manager it.
Yeah,
మేనేజర్ గెట్ డేటాలో ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ ఏంటి?
Get
base.get data.
data.
ఈ క్లాస్ కి బేస్
yeah.
ఎవరమ్మా?
Employee.
Manager. Employee, sorry.
ఈ లైన్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ లో ఏం చేస్తున్నట్టు నువ్వు? ఎంప్లాయీలో ఉన్న గెట్ డేటా కాల్ చేస్తున్నట్టు.
Mm-hmm.
I'll explain again. See what you are doing here first. You are creating object for manager. అంటే
Okay.
ఈ క్లాస్ కి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నారు అవునా?
Yeah,
Yeah.
దీంట్లో ob.get data అంటే ఏంటి? మేనేజర్ గెట్ డేటా. అంటే మేనేజర్ గెట్ డేటా అంటే ఇదే కదమ్మా.
Yes. అర్థమైంది.
So good. So in the manager get data, you are calling what? First line of code enti base.get data. Who is base of this? Who is the parent of this? Employee.
Employee.
అంటే ఏంటి? ఎంప్లాయీ లో
employee.
డేటా కాల్ చేస్తున్నట్టు మనం. అవునా?
Okay,
So first
okay,
you
okay.
are calling the parent class get data. Next you are executing the child class get data. The same way.
Okay.
The same way we need to use ob.display data. ఓకేనా? అదే మనం ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్
Okay.
చేస్తాము 4 మెథడ్స్ ని కాల్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ అలా కాదు కదా, ఓన్లీ 2 మెథడ్స్ ని కాల్ చేస్తే చాలు. బోత్ పేరెంట్ అండ్
Okay.
ఎగ్జిక్యూట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్.
Okay, if you don't want the some functions of the parent class, what we need to do?
Just suppose you don't want the get data of the parent class, right? See, you just try to remove this.
No. Okay, yeah. Then we need to remove that.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Can we try to run this now?
Mm.
See here all of you. First it is executing what? Employee features, right?
Employee features. Yeah.
Enter
Base class.
employee name, correct? Employee ID is 101 and employee name is Sai. House rent is 10,000. PF is 2,000 and car allowance is 4,000. Clear?
Fine. Yeah.
Like this, if you want the same name for both parent and child, you need overriding. The parent class needs to be preceded with virtual keyword and child class need to be preceded with override keyword. Clear all of you?
Okay.
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 Take the screenshot of this. First take the employee class screenshot. Completed.
Yeah.
Take the manager class screenshot. Must and should you people need to remember the keywords here as
Override and virtual.
virtual, override and base dot method name also.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Then only it will call, right?
Yeah.
Override virtual and base class base dot method.
Date method.
Completed.
Yeah.
Today try to practice all the other types of inheritances. Tomorrow we're going to see other topics. And again I'm telling you people the timings other than getting confusing. It is 6:30 a.m. IST. Okay.
Kalyani, I mean,
Yeah.
is there any chance in the evening for you? I
Uh,
mean, morning in the hours.
that's true. Actually, I'm having already one batch. I mean, that's what I'm coming late to
Oh,
this. That is the reason I'm thinking.
okay, okay.
Okay. After few days,
Yeah.
if people want, I will try to schedule in my evening. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
For time being, like
Because I mean, next 4 days I will not be available at the time. So
oh,
I mean, up to this month end.
oh.
That's why I'm bothering about that.
Otherwise, only this weekend. Till this week, we'll continue this trend. Only 9:30,
I mean,
10 my
is
10.
it comfortable for the
Yeah. Okay.
I mean,
Yeah.
for the Sneha?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. I can adjust for these 4 days.
Yeah. From
I
next.
mean, we'll start at 8:30 for you. 8:30
Uh,
or 9 o'clock for you. Then it's gonna be easy for us. 9 o'clock means 10:30. 10:30 to 11:30 for us. It's a comfortable time, I think so.
is it? We'll see that time because I have some other work at that time. That is the reason.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
We'll
yeah, okay.
only this week we'll try to adjust by 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. IST. From next week at any cost, we'll try to take by 6:30.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay.
Thank
Otherwise,
you.
only the
Yeah.
4 days are left, right? Coming to the Saturday, if you people want, like my evening only, we'll try to take. Okay, we'll take 100%. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. From next.
And
Sure,
can you
Kalyan.
please send the link? I mean the video
Record.
links of previous classes. Yeah.
Sure, sure. I'll do it now. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Kalyani.
Bye, bye. Take care.
Thank you, Kalyan.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.